Altenew is turning 7 and that calls for a serious celebration. It's the ultimate giveaway of the year, introducing Altenew 7th Anniversary Treasure Hunt. Yes, can you believe it? It's not every day your favourite paper crafting company is turning 7, and we wanted to have some fun with you to help you celebrate our birthday. This month we will be releasing a series of 4 exclusive never seen before videos right here on our YouTube channel. You will get some special Altenew behind the scenes, fun memories from over the years, and a delightful sneak peeks for the future. That's not all, each video will have a hidden clue that will give you some special information you will need to enter our weekly YouTube giveaway. For example, here is Alton Bear riding across the screen with a cute banner behind him, featuring 3 parts of your clue: a paint can, the letter A and a flower. Put them all together and you get Paint a Flower. The description of your video will let you know where you need to go. Follow the link and find another image of Alton Bear where you'll get more information about your clue. This clue will lead you to one of our Altenew social media channels to solve a riddle or complete a challenge. By participating in each week's challenge, you will be entered into a giveaway to win a $70 gift certificate to the Altenew store. But wait, if you're not already jumping up and down with excitement, there's more. At the end of the month, we will have one grand giveaway that you will definitely not want to miss. All participants who have entered the weekly anniversary treasure hunt giveaways will be automatically entered into our grand finale giveaway for a chance to win this once-in-a-lifetime gift, our full May stamp release. That's right, you will get a grand total of 8 brand new, never before released Altenew original stamp sets worth over $175. And yes, we are being serious. Wondering how to enter? Keep an eye on our YouTube channel. Our weekly anniversary video will come out every Tuesday. Here's a hint, pay attention to Alton Bear. When you see him on the screen, a clue is coming up close behind. Tip, subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on all of our social media accounts and blogs to help with solving the clues. We are so excited to be celebrating this special milestone with you all. Do you have any ideas what these videos could feature? If you do, please let us know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye!
Hello crafters, I hope you enjoyed that video. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. Thanks for watching!